Hey, what's up guys? Today we're outside. We want to try out this outdoor CCTV that would be powered with the solar panel. One of the things I really want to try out here is the solar panel really going to power this one up? At the same time, just to give you a concept here, because I've been installing CCTVs before, and one of the issues that we'll be running into is the cable. Because if you're getting this one far away, you need to have a cable for the power that you're going to use. Just imagine that you're not going to work with a lot of cables, okay? So that will be a very great help for you if you're going to work with these things. So if you're not going to work with cables, it means it's going to be wireless because the power is already beside the CCTV and you can go ahead and configure this one with their app. And that's what we're going to do right now. It's not going to be a permanent kind of setup. So I just brought with me cable tie so we can temporarily put it there so that we'll get a better understanding of how it really works. So, okay, let's unbox these items. Let's start with the CCTV, Reolink. Of course, we have the manual as usual, cables, mounting point, and the antenna. This is where we plug in the power, and this is where we turn on and off. Let's quickly attach this antenna. Very easy way to do it. Cool. That's how big it is. This is the mounting. Let's try to install this one. Yeah, it's very easy. That's how simple it is. How about our solar panel? We have the manual as well. I like the design of the solar panel. It has a metal kind of thing here. And the plug to the CCTV has a rubber. I think this is intended to block out the water if it's going to be installed outside. And as you can see, it has a bit longer cable, so you can adjust where you're going to put the solar panel. And that's how it looks like. It's very sturdy. Yeah, cool. This is the mounting of the solar panel. It's very easy to install as well. Then that's how they look like together. Very nice. Very cool. I like it. Let's go ahead and install this one outside. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to attach it here and try to see. I'll be connecting my phone later on. I'm just going to use these cable ties so that we can attach them there. Unless you want to drill it on a wall, like, you know. But in this case, we're just trying out this item here so that we can try and see if it's going to really work. Right. Look at that. You can see that. Of course, our solar panel. So I don't know how to do this one. I'll just at the corner and we have our CCTV. I'm just going to power up the CCTV.
Reolink app, add the camera and set it up.
Oh, it's talking to me like, yeah, the camera is up and you need to set up the Yeah, we're going to set it up. Install the app of Reolink here. There you go, Play Store. Then Reolink. There you go. We gotta install this, guys. Okay, we are installed already. I'm just going to open the app. Okay, terms of service. I've gotta allow this one. We need to access the files. Agree. There you go. Then devices. I'm just going to add a device. So I need to scan a QR code. Where's the QR code of this dude? Do we have a QR code here? Oh, we have at the back. So what I gotta do, guys, since I already tied this one, there you go. Allow.
Please run Reolink app, add the camera and set it up.
Okay, so there's a QR code at the back of this CCTV. All we gotta do is, scan the QR code and we should be able to be guided. You need to configure Wi-Fi settings for the newly. Okay, I'll try to connect this one. And
please run Reolink app, add the camera and set it up.
Okay, next. What I gotta do is scan now. Oh, here. You need to let the camera scan the QR code on your phone, so you need to make the camera face this, like that.
Scan succeeded.
Oh,
camera is connecting to your router. Please wait.
Okay, that's cool.
Connection to the router succeeded. Welcome to Reolink.
All right.
Connection to the router succeeded. Welcome to Reolink.
All right, back to the app. I have heard a voice prompt next. Again, I have heard a voice prompt next. Then it's going to try to connect our device. All right. we gotta create a login for this device. So it's a different login from my phone. I mean, it's a different login on my Wi-Fi network. This is the login for the device. So just put in something here for trial purposes. I'll just go ahead and go for a very simple password. Device settings, just go ahead and say test cam. Next. Then a lot of instructions here. We're not going to read all of this. Let's go ahead and proceed with how we're going to access the footage. So let's just go ahead and say, yeah, go on. Test cam is there. I don't know. Why is it not showing something? All right, there you go. I click that. Then, oh, play. Okay, there you go. Oh, yeah. Cool. So you can actually monitor, I mean, you can actually access this one on your phone. Okay. Really works well here. But it's kind of dropping out the audio. It's not matching with the audio. It's kind of laggy. Yeah, given that it's going wireless. But anyways, you can see the footage. More test here. Go around and see this one. How about you try to spin it like, yeah. Oh, yeah, cool. Let's go back. Come on, turn it back. Yeah, even the control is a little bit lagging here. So, anyways, it's responding well to the phone. All right. Nice test we got here. So let's go back to my studio. Hey, back here guys on our studio. We just came outside and tried these things. I think it's fantastic. It's very cool. I like how it is assembled in a very easy way and how we can mount it. And I really like the solar panel. It is my first time to use and review a CCTV that can be powered by a solar. And the battery is built inside, so in chances that it's going to be dark for a long time and you're not getting power from the solar, then of course the battery is going to power this device and you can still be able to access the video footage from here. I don't know if you have already tried installing CCTVs, and one of the things that concerns most is where are you going to get the power? Is it going to be a PoE, power over Ethernet? Even though we have wireless, you still need to have power, wherein this solar panel really solves all of those problems. So I think that's the best thing that comes with this camera. So I have a friend who is a security manager, and I asked him what can he say about this Reolink CCTV. One of the things they're looking into is vandal proof, that it's not going to be easily be destroyed if maybe someone holds a bat and reach it out and smash it. If you're really going to security, then people who are really into something that's bad, yeah, they'll think a lot of things. So yeah, I can say if you hit this one with a one smash baseball bat, it's going to be broken right away. All in all, it's very nice. And given the price range of this product for some sort of monitoring things, I think it's very, very good. It's a big thumbs up to get. If you like this video, guys, just give it a thumbs up. And if you are not subscribed, yeah, subscribe.